Good morning, everyone, here from the Minnesota State Nutrition Association show in Rochester, Minnesota. Today we are featuring our whole grain biscuit, our apple magic ring donut as a sandwich, and our new medium square croissant. Looking great right there. And then we have our 2.5 ounce sub dough, our sub bun here, and then our square croissant as a sandwich, and a little chili dog with our 2.5 ounce Philly bun. Today the show goes from 9 till 2. Got mini donuts in little bags and cups there. Little garlic toast mini donuts. Our magic apple filled donut. Biscuits. There it is in the bag. Our baked hamburger bun. Wheat bread. Hot dog buns. Our garlic toast and our whole grain breadsticks. Here we got a Midwest favorite, our 1.25 ounce whole grain cinnamon roll with a cup of chili. It's a Midwestern thing. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you at the next show.